Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to do our fascia corner. I'm a big fan of these fascia corners. Reason is they tolerate contraction and expansion that happens normally with this PVC material and composites without opening up a gap. So I'm going to show you how to do those. So if you're going to do an outside fascia corner with these bent fascia corner details, what the first thing you're going to do is you're going to measure the board and find the exact center, and then you're going to move up just a 1/16, and then you're going to square or 45 off from there, and that's where you're going to make your middle cut. That's going to take out this notch. Over here I measured in 3/4 here, and then I measured the thickness of the fascia, which is just under 5/8, so I'm going to go 5/8 from the back side of the board, so that leaves just a hair of extra space. So this is basically my profile that I'm going to cut. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all of them with this edge here, cut all of that off. So that's what it's going to look like after you take out those corners, and the fascia is going to slide in right behind here in that little slot, and it'll have a 1/4 inch space, so a little expansion gap for heat and all that. Next thing I'm going to do is set my blade to a 45-degree angle, and I'm going to find where I need to set it so it works out nice. It's not a bad idea to use a scrap block for one of these just to make sure you can get it dialed in. There you are. That's your finished block. Now I'm going to heat bend this and glue back here, and then it'll be ready to install. So once you've got your profiles cut, I'm going to prep these. I'm going to spray the 2P10 activator spray on one side, so I'll spray from this angle like this, so it only gets on one side. That way it'll cure quickly. The best quality of a bend you can get is heating it from the front, and all I'm going to do is basically hold it so that gravity is pulling that down, and once it starts to bend, it'll bend of its own accord. Let me know in the comments if you guys like the shorter stuff or the longer stuff. Sometimes I know it's helpful to be able to see what the actual real-time work looks like. Sometimes it's little things that you don't pick up when it's a lot of chopped up video. So let me know if you guys like this or you guys like the shorter stuff. Which one you find more useful. Alright, I got my little glue in the bags there. Yep. That allowed me to get it in quicker and allowed me to close it before it cooled down. So, nice little trick there. As you can tell, everything's nice and tight. The outside corner looks beautiful. The fascia will slide in right behind there and make it easy for a nice seamless look. Alright guys, hope that helps. Hope that was a little bit better explanation than my first video on this. If you guys have any more topics you'd like, drop them in the comments. I'll see if I can get to them. Thanks.